In this video, we will go over the publish signal functionality. Signals can be published to channels you are a member in, and they provide instructions to other users in the channel about where to buy, sell, and place stops on a specific symbol. Other users will later be able to see the signals you and other users posted in the channel and open trades on them. To access the Publish Signal page, first click on the Signals button in the main menu and then proceed to click on the Publish button. First, you will need to choose between the two signal types, regular signal and breakout signal. In this video, we will cover the Publish Regular Signal functionality. We will create a separate video on breakout signals. First, you will be required to insert the symbol name. Please make sure to insert the symbol in the right format, with the coin name on the left, followed by a slash and the pair name. Then, you will need to select the exchanges for the signal. The bot will automatically only show you the exchanges the symbol is available in, and display all the possible combinations of those exchanges. Note that if you only open a signal in BitMEX, you will not be able to add other exchanges. This is due to the fact that BitMEX offers leverage functionality that other exchanges do not. In this case, I will choose to open the signal only in Binance. Next, select the number of buy targets in the signal, or select the Buy Zone button to enter a buy zone without specific targets. In this example, I will choose to have 3 buy targets. In the next screen, you need to enter the number of sell targets. Alternatively, you can also select to enter a sell zone without specific targets, or select the Without Sell option to publish a signal without sell targets. Lastly, you will need to choose if you want to include a ratio for each target. If you decide to add ratios, other users who open a trade on the signal you published will use the ratios you entered by default. In the next screen, the bot will provide you a format for the signal based on the parameters you entered in the previous screens. As you can see, the name of the symbol, the signal type, the exchanges, and the number of targets you selected of each type are already present in the signal message. The prices for all the targets will be the current symbol price in the exchange by default. In addition, since we selected to publish a signal with ratios, the bot divided the ratios equally between all the targets of the same type. Note that the bot mentioned the options to immediately activate a sell order. However, this is advanced functionality that will not be covered in this video. To publish the signal, start by copying the signal message provided by the bot and paste it to the text box. Then, proceed to change the prices and ratios to the desired values. For example, let's choose the first buy target price to be $17.60, the second price to be $17.50, and the last buy price to be $17.40. We will also change the sell price to $18.00 and the stop price to $17.20. Lastly, we will also change the ratios of the buy targets to be 50% on the first target, 30% on the second, and 20% on the third buy target. When you're done editing the signal message, simply send the message to the bot. In the next screen, choose the channel to which you want to publish the signal. Then, decide whether you want to publish the signal immediately or only when and if the symbol enters the buy zone. If you choose to publish the signal immediately, it will give other users the option to enter the signal from the moment it is published. However, if the signal hits the first sell target before any buy target is reached, the signal will be closed immediately. On the other hand, when selecting the second option, users will also be able to enter the signal immediately, but the signal will only be tracked after it enters the buy zone. This means that if the signal hits the first sell target before it enters the buy zone, that it will not be closed. For this example, let's choose the Publish Right Away option. Lastly, you will be given the option to add technical analysis to the signal. To do this, simply enter the address for the TradingView chart with the technical analysis. Later, users will be able to see the technical analysis you attached when viewing the signal. Let's add a technical analysis I created for Cardano with the prices I selected for the signal. Let's paste the TradingView address to the text box and send it to the bot. And that's it. Now the bot will publish the signal and post the signal message in the selected channel. Other users will be able to see the new signal with the technical analysis directly in the channel. Alternatively, they can press on the Signals button and then on the Open Signals button. There, they will see a list of symbols on which there are open signals. In our case, the signals we published was on ADA BTC, so let's click on that. Here, the users will also be able to see the signal details and the technical analysis you posted. This is it for this video. See you next time.